still love, and it's still love, it's still love, still love, still love, it's still love, and it's still love. Nothing but love for you, nothing but love, nothing but love. I don't need sleep past 1 a.m. Heartbeat make me feel strong again. Freedom just join the
So before we get into today's video, I just want to thank Nail Reserve for sending across these products for me. So I connected the USB to show you guys, but this is where you would plug the USB in. But then obviously you just put your nails underneath once you have the nail polish on. They sent across 6 polishes, which include 4 colors and a top and a base coat. Alright, so the wig cap is on, as you guys can see. I'm just gonna cut in the parts that I don't need, and I'm gonna start in the center. I'm gonna re-braid this one as well, just to make it a bit tighter. Look how long my hair is. Alright, so I finished installing my wig, and now I'm just fixing the parting space with my eyeshadow palette. This was sent to me years ago by Makeup Revolution, and I'm just using the black eyeshadow in this because my wig is jet black and I already started at the back. I completely forgot to start recording, but better late than never, right? I kind of wanted to look somewhat natural, and I already hot combed and everything. I done the wax, and I used my hair care wax stick to do that. Alright, this is the wax that I'm gonna be using on my legs. I've used this brand before. This is my brand of choice that I usually use when I do strip wax. So the hairs on my legs are really thin and the hot wax is struggling to remove it. This is the wax that I'm gonna be using. I purchased this on Amazon. I don't really have coarse hair, but I haven't had any issues with it irritating my skin. And I also have this one as well, which is for arms and legs.